Ever wondered why your Land Rover demands more than just routine maintenance? These vehicles blend luxury with off-road prowess, requiring specialized care. Let's explore why general mechanics might not suffice for your Land Rover's unique needs. Key features like air suspension and aluminum unibody construction set Land Rovers apart. These elements demand expert attention, ensuring your vehicle performs optimally on both city streets and rugged terrains. Dallas climate poses unique challenges for Land Rover owners. Air suspension leaks and cooling system wear are common issues, exacerbated by the city's heat. Proactive inspections can prevent costly repairs down the line. Transmission shudder and electrical glitches are frequent headaches for Dallas drivers. Understanding these issues and addressing them early can save you from unexpected breakdowns and hefty repair bills. When selecting a mechanic, prioritize factory-trained technicians with Land Rover expertise. Using genuine parts ensures your vehicle maintains its performance and reliability. Diagnostic capabilities and transparent communication are crucial. A good mechanic will explain issues clearly and provide digital inspection reports, helping you make informed decisions about your vehicle's care. Service your Land Rover every 7,500 miles for optimal performance. Regularly inspect air suspension and flush fluids to prevent issues. Staying ahead with software updates and heating dash warnings can save you from future headaches. By following these maintenance tips, you'll ensure your Land Rover remains a reliable companion on Dallas roads. Schedule your next service appointment and keep your vehicle in top shape. Visit autoscopecarcare.com or call 214-462-7863. Thank you for watching.